Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make real money watching ads in the Make Money app. This app actually rewards you for small tasks, and watching ads is the easiest way to earn fast and safely. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search for Make Money Earn Cash and install it. Sign up with your email or Google account. You get a small bonus for joining. And open your app and then tap the Earn tab and choose Watch Videos slash Ads, and then you can watch up to 50 ads daily depending on your reason. Each ad earns between 5 to 20 coins, so more the so sorry so the more you watch, the faster you earn. Combined with other tasks, boost your balance faster by mixing in simple surveys, app installs, daily check-in, bonuses. Together these can get you $5 to $10 within a few days. Once you hit the minimum threshold, usually $5 or 5,000 coins, tap withdraw PayPal or choose gift cards like Amazon or Google Pay. Safety tip: only watch ads from inside the app. Never click suspicious links or pop-ups. Legit ads will always pay within the Make Money app itself. Quick fix: if ads stop playing, clear cache in your phone settings, switch to Wi-Fi, update the app, add providers if regularly. Subscribe for more quick fixes.